Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your YouTube search history. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and like this video. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. If you want to view your search history directly from here, simply click the search button. Right here, you can see all your recent search entries. However, there is another section where you can view your full search history in more detail. To get there, first click the back button. Now, look at the bottom and click on your profile icon. From this screen, you will see a settings icon in the top right corner. Click on settings. Next, scroll down a bit and you will find an option called Manage All History. Click on it and wait a moment for it to load. This is where you can find the complete history of everything you have searched for and watched. You can see specific video titles and the names you have searched for. For example, you can see where I searched for this specific name. That's it for today's video on how to easily find your YouTube search history. See you in the next one.